Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So in today's video, we are going to be replacing the passenger side mirror on this 2011 Mazda 3. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. After opening the door, if your car is equipped with a tweeter speaker, you could pry from the sides gently to allow the plastic clips to disengage and remove the harness from the tweeter speaker. From here, you will see 1, 2, 3, 8mm screws that need to be removed, along with a wire harness that must be disengaged prior to removing the side mirror. Connect the harness of the replacement mirror with the mirror being temporarily held in place. You can test it for functionality. Tighten all 3 8mm bolts down, reconnect the tweeter speaker, and pop it back into place. And from there, the installation should be complete. And there you have it. Overall, replacing the side mirrors on these older cars is a fairly simple procedure, just takes a little bit of effort. Feel free to like the video if it has helped you in any way, and also please consider subscribing as it helps the channel a lot. But in any case, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.